Hello, beautiful kids. Today, I will tell you a story about Ola and the talking drum. Ola was a cheerful boy who loved listening to the griot, the village storyteller. Every evening, the griot would sit under the great Iroko tree and tell magical stories while playing his talking drum. The drum wasn't an ordinary one. It could speak in rhythms that everyone understood, even without words. Ola loved the stories of the griot and dreamed of playing the talking drum. One year, the rain stopped falling. The crops dried up. The rivers ran low, and the animals wandered far away in search of water. The villagers grew worried. "What will we eat?" they asked. "How would we survive?" Ola saw everyone's worried faces and wanted to help, but he didn't know how. He went to the griot for advice. The wise old man smiled and said, "Ola, you have a kind heart. That is the first step to being a great drummer. Here, take this." The griot handed Ola a drum unlike any other. It shimmered in the sunlight, and when Ola touched it, he felt warm energy flow through his hands. "This is the talking drum," said the griot. "It speaks the language of the heart. Use it to bring the village together." Ola was nervous but excited. "How can I use the drum to help?" he asked. The griot simply said, "Trust your heart, and the drum will guide you." Ola walked to the center of the village, holding the magical drum. He took a deep breath and began to play. Boom, boom, tap, tap. The drum's rhythm echoed across the village, carrying a message of hope and unity. The villagers stopped what they were doing and gathered around. What is Ola trying to say? They wondered. As they listened, they realized the drum was calling them to come together and find a solution. Inspired by Ola's drumming, the villagers began to talk. An elder suggested digging a canal to bring water from a distant stream. Another villager offered to lead a group to fetch tools. Everyone pitched in. Ola kept playing his drum as they worked. The rhythms gave them energy and kept their spirits high. After days of hard work, water flowed into the village through the canal. The fields turned green again, and the people celebrated with dancing and singing. Ola's drum beat became the rhythm of their joy. The griot approached Ola and said, "You see, Ola, you didn't just play the drum. You let it speak your truth and brought people together. That is the real magic." From that day on, Ola was known as the boy with the magical drum. He continued to use his drum, spread messages of hope and unity, not just in his village, but in others too. Morals of the story: teamwork, leadership, and kindness. Your heart is your drum. Let it beat for others, and you will create harmony. Please like, subscribe, and share.